Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. I'm here today to show you how to use a Pro Doer Fiber brush to apply bronzer to your face to achieve that sun-kissed glow in just a few very easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your brush and your bronzer. Typically I like to go with a more warm tone bronzer because bronzing is all about just kind of warming up the skin and adding a beautiful sun-kissed glow. So a warm tone bronzer as opposed to a cool tone bronzer is going to do a really good job at that. So getting a little product on there, you're just going to want to start lightly sweeping where the sun would naturally hit your face. Duo fiber brushes are amazing for applying bronzer because they do such a great job at distributing the product. It doesn't go on too harsh. They just give a really nice light finish to the skin and nice light bronze to the skin. This brush in particular is great at doing this because this brush starts more dense at the bottom, and then as you get closer to the top, the bristles become more sparse, and it just creates a beautiful, flawless bronze to the skin because it's not going to just be one stark line. It does an amazing job at doing the blending for you as well. And there you have it, how to bronze up and warm up the face in just a very few easy, simple steps using the Pro Duo Fiber brush.